Hi everyone, in this video I will show that how you can download and install Microsoft Bing Image Creator on your PC. Guys, first just search for the Bing Image Creator on your browser, then just open up the first website. Now here you'll see the three dot option on the right and top, just click on the three dot option. Now here just find the option of save and share. Just go to the option of save and share, just find it, then just click on the option of install page as app. So make sure you click on the install page as app option. Now once you click on this option, you will see the option of install. Now just click on the install. It start downloading and installing this page as app on your PC. Guys, once it was installed on your PC, guys, you can easily access it, and you can easily access it from here. You can also pin it on your taskbar, and now its shortcut was also added to your desktop on your PC. Guys, this is how you can download and install Microsoft Bing on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.